Hello, in front of me I've got Marathon. In this video I'll show you how to set graphics preset for mid and PC. In the beginning, let's go to game menu and settings. Enter video and firstly select window to mode, to full screen and set resolution to highest or almost highest available. 1080p should be enough. Now let's go to advanced video. Here select auto detect and now you can adjust certain settings. For example, if your PC allows it, you can select resolution scaling to quality and select high graphics quality. Now this will be our base. We will next adjust the settings. Check your game and check the quality and performance, and now adjust VSync. You can cap frame rate to 60 and then adjust FSR or DLSS between quality and performance. You can also try dynamic resolution scaling. This game is really well optimized, so this should be enough. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.